I'm Melanie Mills, Toasted Blonde. Welcome to my channel. Today we're talking about Rodan and Fields Eye Makeup Remover. Rodan and Fields Eye Makeup Remover. Check it out. Okay, hey, I'm Melanie. Welcome to my channel, Toasted Blonde. Today we're doing a eye makeup remover review, and I want to say subscribe to my channel right now because I put out fun videos, I think. Beauty videos, DIY hair videos, reviews, I don't know, whatever fucking floats my boat. Keto videos sometimes. So let's say, okay, I don't sell any of these products. I just review them because I have friends that sell things and I try and give really good reviews. So subscribe to my channel right now before we talk about the eye makeup remover. All right, let's talk about the eye makeup. It is, Rodan Fields is $32. I think it's $28 if you're like a perks, if you're getting it every month. And okay, editing Nell here, I just have to say I am sorry. I apologize for my skin, my lighting, my lipstick is all crooked. I'm sorry. I'm just getting back in the swing of things. It is 4 ounces. It claims to boost eyelash growth and, you know, make your eyelashes stronger or your eyebrows stronger. I don't know. It claims to do all these things, but also claims to remove your eye makeup. So let's talk about, does it work? Because that's what you want to know. It does work. I'm going to show you a bunch of videos in a little while of how it works and to compare with other leading eye makeup removers. And so I'm going to say, yes, it does work. It absolutely removes your eye makeup well and fast and easy. Does it sting, irritate, or burn? Yes, it stings my eyes like I've never had any other product sting my eyes. No other eye makeup remover sting my eyes before. Like, almost like getting shampoo in your freaking eye. So like, for that reason, I'm like, ow, ow, ow. But did it work? Did it promote eyelashes growth? I really think, I did not notice any difference in my eyelashes. Perhaps, I don't know. I did feel like my eyebrows were like totally filling in and growing wildly during this period. So it did something. I mean, it's a whole bottle and it definitely did something for me. Okay, forgive me because I totally forgot to add that it contains biotin, which is why it makes your eyelashes or eyebrows appear more full. That makes sense. Would I buy it again? Well, let's get to that at the end. No, I'm going to tell you right now. Usually I leave that for the end. I would not buy it again. It stings my fucking eyes, okay? That's it. It stings. It works. It doesn't make them red. It doesn't really irritate them, but when I'm using it, it stings, and now it's very fucking unpleasant. But if you want to see how it compares to Sephora, Micellar Water by Garnier, coconut oil, and I think that's it. Four things I compared it to. Stay tuned, check it out. Okay, time for the dreaded voiceover because when I was filming this, it just took too long and I was just going on and on and on. So I sped it up so you could see the results. Okay, we're gonna do the Sephora, the Rodan Fields, and the Garnier Micellar Water, and coconut oil. It's missing on the end. That's the last one I'm gonna try. So you can see I've got eyeshadow, then the thin line of eyeliner, and then I swiped mascara across my arm so I could show you how well it all works. So there you go. That is it with a Q-tip. Now we're going to try cotton swabs next. But you can see that that coconut oil does nothing for the eyeliner. Everything else is, you know, has a hard time with it, but coconut oil does not work. Okay. Sephora at $11 for 4 ounces came out really well. You see how well it's getting everything off? All right, here is Rodan and Fields. Here is a test. Does it beat Sephora? No, $32 does not do better than the $11 Sephora, and the Garnier, which is like $10 for, you know, a gallon of it. I don't know. It's a giant jug. That pretty much does exactly the same as Rodan and Fields and Sephora as well. And last but not least is a coconut. And I'm swiping my arm so fast it doesn't do well. Okay, now it's time for a runoff. I've got on the top line is waterproof mascara. Then we've got an eyeliner, and the bottom is, oh, better than sex. mascara on the bottom. Top is waterproof, bottom is regular, and you can see they're doing good, doing well. I'm gonna have to say, let's look, but it's looking to me like, you know, Sephora might have done better than Rodan and Fields. And micellar water, I'm dragging really, pressing really hard. That's kind of bothering me. But look, there it is. Okay, you saw it. Coconut oil does not compare at all. The other three are really similar, really close, and equally as good for a fraction of the cost. So while it works, and if you're supporting your friend, which is what you do when you buy Rodan Fields, buy something else. This works. It works, but it's not worth the cost in any way, shape, or form. I could never say go out and buy it. Sorry, Rodan and Fields, this one was a flop. Not everything is a flop, but this one was. Thanks for watching Melanie Nails Toasted Blonde. Subscribe to my channel and like this video if you liked it. Okay? Thanks, bye.